So this is part whatever. I just decided to start filming this because I hear this is a common problem that people have with the ignition in the TJs. And what happens is there's a plastic piece in here in the column that fails, and when it does, you can't start your Jeep. You can turn the key and it's like everything's dead. Check your power at the starter and there's no power. So I hooked up a push button. I'll video this backwards and show you what I did. And the push button would turn the starter over, but it wouldn't fix the problem. So I've disconnected it here, found a wiring diagram on the internet to show me from the ignition source what wire needs to get powered in order to pull in the relays and so on, because right at the starter it wouldn't allow it to work, which in past instances I've been able to get vehicles to work that way, but with this one I haven't. So you're looking for that one right there, which is pink and orange. So look for the pink with the orange stripe. And what I've done to be able to tie into it, I've gone ahead and pulled the little plastic panel off. It's just 2 screws and it pops right out. And found a hot wire right here. I just guaranteed that it was hot, 12 volt. There's my pink with the orange right there, and that's what I'm going to be tying into and soldering a couple of wires in order to put the push button in, and then I'm going to put the push button right in the dash right here. So I'll give you a little showing after I get it put together, okay?